The 2015 Acura RLX. The Acura RLX is a full-size luxury sedan that sets itself apart. Its interior is beautiful, spacious, big, light, and airy. The Acura RLX features elegant styling which gives buyers even more exclusivity luxury owners crave. You can't resist it. So here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO. Come see the car for yourself.